Hi, this is Silent Solution. Today we'll see how to Eclipse installation and Windows 11. Let's go. Must we have installation on Java? We can see our Java version. We are already Java installation. How to installation Java? Let's go. First of all, where Java download, go, and here is where Java and JDK downloads, and just next I have already installation, that's why I have not where finished download and installation. Then you go your Java programs files, Java. Here is your path, copy, and environment, edge environment. You can settings, sorry, environment. Here is Java. You can just create, here is new and name Java home and paste and value links or search files folder location. You can select here, and this type is also system variable. You can new create and write Java home like Java home. That's it. Your installation is completed. Now let's go download Eclipse. Eclipse download. Here is download link. Just click here, download. Already it download started. Just a minute, wait. I have already how to download and installation Java. This video declare my channel. I have linked this here how to Java installation and download. Here is details. You can see this. We are already download Eclipse. Open it. Just right button click and run. Yes. I will give this video link. Just a minute. Already coming. Here you can select many types: Eclipse for web development, so Eclipse for C++, Eclipse for IDE. Let's see. We're just for Java development, and that's why you select Java development. You can your C++ development. You can just try, but I have just Java development. Here is you can your installation file location, and you can this right. Now installation click. Accept. Now already finished. Just launch it. Just a minute. once just you can your workspace location and different, but I have same location. You can different location. Select here, just launch R. Here is just open. Here is where just our now new project create as application SilentAPP, where SilentAPP create. And you can select your Java version, but I have just 18 installation, just next. There is a finish. Now you cancel this, and your project SilentAPP is visible. You can write here is you can write button. You can create a class, just name solution. Solution demo, public application, just finish. Just create our program. You can first run as term. Just we'll write here. Run as. Here is just save our file. Yeah, our project is saved. Just where is demo. Fix this issue. Right, what can we click? Build and configure font. Library. And library. Yeah. Next. Finish. This program is done. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Just you can here is build and configure and click libraries. Just click and remove and add library. Thanks for watching.